Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe before you leave. Let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So in today's video, I am doing a hair extension review. A company called Luxy Hair actually reached out to me. They are an extension company. They offer a wide range of different kind of extensions. This video is definitely not sponsored. They did go ahead and send the extensions for me to try out for you guys and to review them. This will be a very honest review and let you know what I think, if it's worth the money. I will let you guys know if these extensions are any different than any other extension that I've tried. I have tried a few different hair extensions from Sally Beauty, and these ones I will say are definitely a lot nicer than the ones that I tried at Sally Beauty. This is what the package looks like. It is so cute and girly. I've actually been storing my extensions in here since I got them, and I feel like they fit really great in this little box. I love the color. It's so girly and cute, and I like it a lot. When you first open it, they have like this little card in there, and there was like a little hairnet around it, and basically what it says is, this is one of the pieces of your full set of Luxy hair extensions. It's designed for you to test the hair color and quality of your new set. You may take it out of the net, but it must remain fixed to this card. Please do not wear or style this piece until you decide to keep your set. Once you're sure about the new Luxys, you can add this piece to your full set located below. They send you like a little piece that's like a tester to see how it's gonna fit in your actual hair, if it's gonna blend, if you like the color and everything, and if you don't, you can send it back, and that's awesome. I really like that they did that. I think it's a really nice little touch so that you are able to get a full refund if you don't like the set that you got. So they had me go ahead and go on the website and pick out the extensions that I wanted to try out. There are quite a few different hair extensions available on the website, but I went ahead and I picked out the 20-inch seamless off black balayage. So the ones that I got are actually like an ombre kind of effect. It has a balayage where it's like darker on top and then it goes to like a lighter brown color. I really love the way that this looks. I've always wanted to do balayage on my hair, and I thought it was really cool that I could try it without actually having to dye my hair. I do have like really thin hair, and so I don't want to do like a lot of damage to it. These ones are the seamless off black balayage clip-in hair extensions. They are painted with a chocolate brown highlight with warm brown hues, and together they get a multi-dimensional effect. No dye, no damage to your hair, just natural sun-kissed color. So they are free shipping, which I think is really nice. They also have an easy 60-day exchange and return policy, which is cool. And they do have 24-hour customer service. These ones are not like regular extensions. These ones are so thin. Like, let me pull out a piece for you guys. So this is one of the 4 clips, but if you can see, I'm not sure if you guys have ever tried out extensions before, but these babies are so stinking thin. They're basically like tape-ins. So I've never tried tape-ins, but tape-ins are supposed to be like super thin and like to your head. So these ones are supposed to be like tape-ins. They're not supposed to be like bulky. I think they do really well. I do have thin hair, so you can't really see them in my hair, which I think is nice. They also went ahead and sent over this little booklet. So this is like a little instruction booklet, which I think is really cool. So if you've never tried extensions before, then you can know how to do it without having to look up a video or anything. And it actually tells you how to clip it, like how they suggest clipping it, and it does like a step-to-step. And then it also tells you how to take care of your extensions, which I think is really good to know. I like a very informative company. This is 100% Remy human hair, so you can heat style it, you can blow dry it, you can wash it, you can do pretty much anything that you want to it, and it's gonna stay just like your regular hair. So let me go ahead and put these extensions in for you guys, and you can see what they look like on me. What I go ahead and do is I start with the 3 clip, just like it says in the directions, and I put that about an inch below where my root is because I don't want it to be right on my root. So basically I just section my hair off, and then I put it about an inch down below my root, because what I'm gonna do, because I do have such thin hair, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to stack these on top of each other, and then I'm going to put a layer of hair, and then I'm gonna stack 2 and then put a layer of hair. It is 180 grams worth of hair. There's 2 clips, there's 2 3 clips, and there's also 2 4 clips, and then there are 4 of the 1 clips. So one of the 4 clips actually is about an inch shorter. I'm gonna go ahead and put that one right above the 3-inch, and I'm gonna put that one pretty close to my root, and kind of stack them on top of each other. And what I do also is I do put the 2 middle clips down first, and then I think it's easier to be able to clip the 2 side ones and get those ones pretty secure. So that's what it looks like in the back. And I always brush them too after I put them in, because otherwise I feel like they get kind of tangled once you have so much hair in there, because this is so much hair. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to undo my hair, and then next thing I do is I go I take like right above my ears, and then I kind of go down a little bit, and I want to go basically like about an inch above where I had those other extensions. We're gonna do the exact same thing, but this time we're gonna do the bigger 4 clip, and then we're gonna layer the 3 clip on top of that one. So now we're gonna take the 4 clip and unclip those, and then we're gonna take that and we're gonna clip that about an inch. These ones gonna be basically stacked on top of those other 2 extensions. Basically they're going on top of each other. You'll feel what I mean, like when you try it. Now what I'm gonna do is take the other 3 clip. I'm gonna clip that one basically right on top of that last clip that I did. Take the middle, clip it down, and then you're gonna wanna clip the other 2. And then go ahead and brush those, blend them in with your natural hair. Now what you're gonna wanna do, you have 2 clip wefts, and what they suggest that you do is put them on the sides of your head, so then you go basically about 2 inches above your ear, and then you go like on the side of your head, and then you'll have more body and more length like on the side. So that's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna section it. So basically go about 2 inches above your ear, section that off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the 2 clip weft, and I'm going to just clip it basically like where my ear is, like where my ear ends. I'm gonna hook it there, because I have really thin hair like right here around my ear, so if I tuck my hair behind my ear you can kind of see it, so I don't want you to be able to see it. And then I just clip it across. So then it gives me more volume and more hair by my ear. But when I have a hair behind my ear, you're not gonna be able to see that weft. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. Then what we have left are the 1 clip wefts. These ones you don't necessarily have to put in. What I've been doing with the 4 clips is, what I did last night was I actually put my hair half up, half down, and then I added the little 1 clips to the hair, so I made my hair longer and thicker in my actual ponytail, and then I was able to make like a really cute little bun with it. So you can kind of play around with the other hair pieces that you want. You don't have to put these ones in. You can put them kind of like closer to your ear, so then you have more volume here, but beware if you do put them there, that if you kind of like move your hair, if you do have thin hair like I do, then you can kind of see it. But that's one of them that's clipped by my ear. And you might want to like tease your hair too. I don't really tease my hair, but if I am putting my hair up, then I do. Let me go ahead, put a couple more of these little clips in. So if I'm gonna put these ones in, I kind of hide them a little bit back so that they still come forward by my ear, but you cannot see them when I part my hair, or like when I put my hair behind my ears. Let me stand up and show you guys. Like, look how much longer my hair is. So like this is my natural hair, and this one's about 2.5 inches longer than my natural hair. And I think it's really pretty. Like, can you guys tell the color of it? It's like a really subtle, like light chocolatey brown. I think it is so beautiful. I really, really like it. I love the effect that these extensions give to my hair. I feel like they're a lot nicer than the ones that I've tried. They are, like I said, 100% human hair. I did go ahead and use like my wand on it a few days ago when I did curl my hair, and so there is still like a little bit of a body wave. Thank you so much to Luxy Hair for sending these over to me. You guys should definitely go on and check out their website. I give these ones a big thumbs up. They are super comfortable. My mom actually thought I was wearing a wig. She didn't realize I was wearing hair extensions when I wore them to Father's Day. They are really, really pretty. They do give me like a little bit of extra volume, a little bit of extra oomph, because my hair is so thin. So it's nice to be able to add them in, but because they are such thin extensions, you can't really see them in my hair. So that's really nice. It's nice to be able to have extensions that aren't super bulky and they're thin and like tape-ins. I will have these ones linked down in the description box below if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Do you guys like the hair extensions on me? What do you think? Alright, so that is everything I have to say about Luxy Hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. If you did like this video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My name is Amanda Yasmin89 on Instagram. I post there every single day about makeup and plus size fashion. So if you don't get enough of me here on my YouTube channel, then go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I will see you in my next video. And as always, remember, be your own kind of beautiful, and toodles for now.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.